All right, let's talk about something that everyone thinks about, but few are brave enough to admit. How do you get someone, more specifically a girl, to like you? And no, I'm not talking about some cheesy pickup lines or fake personas. This is about being real, confident, and someone she genuinely wants to be around. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you're going to know the 5 psychological hacks to spark her interest, build a connection, and have her looking forward to seeing you. And trust me, number 5, that's the game changer no one talks about. Segment 1, confidence without cockiness. Let's start with the big one, confidence. Girls notice when a guy walks into a room like he belongs there. But here's the catch. It's not about being the loudest or acting like a show-off. Confidence is about being comfortable in your skin. Quick tip. Next time you're in a social setting, don't fidget with your phone. Look around, smile, and engage with the people around you. Confidence starts with how you present yourself. Segment 2, master the art of listening. Here's the truth. People love to feel heard. If you want to stand out, listen more than you speak. Ask questions about her interests, her dreams, and what excites her. Pro tip. When she talks, repeat back key things she says. For example, you mentioned you love painting. What's your favorite thing to paint? This shows you're genuinely paying attention. Segment 3. Be mysterious but approachable. Here's a surprising one. Leave her wanting to know more. Don't lay out your entire life story in the first conversation. Share enough to pique her interest, but keep some things for her to discover later. Pro tip. When she asks about your hobbies, give a hint. I love exploring new places. I'll have to tell you about this crazy road trip sometime. See? Now she's curious. Segment 4. Show your value. Girls are naturally drawn to guys who have something going for them. Whether it's a passion, a skill, or being kind to others, make sure you're showing her you're someone of value. Quick tip. You don't have to be a millionaire or a superstar. It's the small things, being ambitious, helping someone in need, or just showing up for the people you care about, that leave a lasting impression. Segment 5. The game changer. Be authentic. All right, here's the big one. Authenticity wins every time. Pretending to be someone you're not might work in the short term, but it's exhausting and always backfires. Be the best version of you, not someone you think she wants you to be. Final thought. At the end of the day, the right girl will like you for you. Focus on building a connection that's real and meaningful. Closing scene. So, there you have it. 5 ways to get a girl to like you. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about being confident, kind, and authentic. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.